Hey, welcome back everybody. It's a big morning here. Getting ready to head over to my dad's house, go get the BMW, take it back, and see what we're working with exactly for the time being. Taking it back to dad's, gonna take stuff out to my house, parts wise, and go from there. Alright, so over here at my dad's house, just got the car back. Kind of check it out. She's a dusty mess, so we're gonna spray her off, get some of this dust off and stuff and out of the channels and everything, and check in there. Got a little 4-cylinder in it. See what we'll do with that. But she's in pretty good shape for as old as she is, and she's been sitting for 10-12 years, so get her all cleaned up. Step 1, when buying a new BMW, clean it out. Kind of did that. Step 2, blow all the nasty crap off with an air compressor and a wand. Kind of did that for the most part. I guess we're on to step 3, which is wash the BMW. Alright, so got her all cleaned up as much as we could. We'll kind of look at some shots. There's definitely some spots here and there that need work, body wise and stuff. Interior, check and see if she's leaking or not. Doesn't look like any water got in. Ooh. So I don't know, it's really dirty, like really dirty. Here, I'll show you. Can't even see, it's so dark. Look at that, look how dirty that is. It just sat for years upon years. Leather and stuff's clean. Door cards are pretty clean. Yeah. Stuff here and there. It's gonna be some work. Wasn't sure how much work, but it's gonna be some work. Shouldn't be too bad. I mean, for the most part, it's gonna be getting it cleaned up, making sure the engine runs and stuff, and go from there. Still think I'm gonna swap an M50 into it, so I don't know, we'll see what happens. But catch up with you back at the home and get cleaned up, head back there, get a bunch of parts to go through and stuff. We're over at my house now. We've got all these boxes of parts that we got with the car. There's totes upon totes upon totes. We even got our 1990s cell phone. Yeah, buddy. It's not really a cell phone, it's a car phone. We actually might try to do something with it in the car because it'd be funny. Got a bunch of carpets over here. Got a bunch of wheels over here. I mean, a bunch. There's like 6 different wheels. 7 different wheels, something like that. Outside, trying to get all this stuff kind of sorted. We've got a Getrag 260 and then the original diff out of the 318. Hi buddy, how you doing? Tidy's joining the adventure. Out of the original 318i diff. I think it's like 373 gears. What's in it right now is pretty sure it's the M3 rear diff and gearing, but I'm not entirely positive. I have to crawl underneath the car and check it out. So got passenger seat. Ooh. For the most part, it looks like it's in good condition. Rear seat back over there where the kids will eventually ride. Not a lot. Today was mostly cleaning stuff up, sorting through parts and pieces for the E30. I think once I actually get it detailed a little bit better than just power washing it off like what I did today to check for leaks and stuff like that, which there weren't any leaks, surprisingly. A couple of the door seals could probably use replaced. I think that's pretty much it though. No deer. Gotta get some of this stuff down into the basement. I might have some stuff for sale if anybody needs anything in particular. So watch out. So yeah, that'll be it. We'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more E30 goodness. Catch you later.